Hey guys, Nick here again with BoarMasters, BoarMasters TV. The other thing we do, we'll do our burns and get some scent going in the air. This product is an oil-based product that really sticks well, so it'll continue to advertise the bait for days. I usually just go along and spray a lot of the trees, especially your bigger trees that can absorb the scent, around the bait site. I'll usually do this depending on if it's in a deep canyon or not getting a lot of scent. I'll usually anywhere from a 50 to a 200 yard radius. If I'm down in a valley, I'll usually even get to the top of the mountains and try to spray scent up there, so that scent will drift off of the edge of the other canyons and bring those bears for miles. So I usually just walk around and just spray everything. A lot of your pine needles and things up high. The good part with this spray scent is you can spray it way up high and get a lot of your nice pine boughs and things like that. You just saturate everything you can around that area. I'll even spray a little bit of this right in front of the barrel, and then those bears will get it on their paws and they'll track it around. We offer this product in several different flavors. We've got carnivore candy, a Raz donut flavor, we got bacon, we got anise, butter caramel. We've got several different flavors for kind of everybody's liking, and it works really well just to help advertise the bait, get the scent out there, and keep the scent lasting for days. So we're going to go ahead and walk around here and just saturate the whole area with scent, and that'll get the bears coming quick. I usually just go along and spray a lot of the trees, especially your bigger trees. We'll just smear that on this tree. We'll just do 2 squirts. Just sprinkle in a little bit.